Introducing the ultimate 2019 seat Arona 1.0 TITs, 115 horsepower XC, 5-door hatchback. This stylish and efficient vehicle is packed with all the features you need for a comfortable and safe driving experience. From air conditioning to satellite navigation, this car has it all. Plus, with ABS, multiple airbags, and collision avoidance braking, you can drive with peace of mind. The roof rails add a touch of style to this already impressive vehicle. And with a full multi-point health and safety check, manufacturer-specified servicing, and a comprehensive warranty, you can trust that this car is in top condition. Don't miss out. Call us or visit our website, spiritmotorgroup.ie, for more information today.